Hey everyone, Game Paperclip here.
Hey everybody, Dr. Alvin here, and today we'll be playing
Minecraft.
We sort of messed up on that.
I
But
forgot.
yeah, this is continuing our series from 5 hours ago, I think.
1 a.m. at some point.
So he left off somewhere, and I left off somewhere. Aiden and Paul let's play, so
Yeah.
Yep, it's time to do that.
Get some tacks.
Alright, ooh, I remember.
I
was
don't.
doing this. I have 52 iron.
Oh yeah.
And a whole lot of
Refresher up.
Oh, I remember I found a bunch of these cool things that I couldn't do on it.
Oh yeah.
Wait, I can like use my wood to smelt the iron. Yes. Oh yeah, I could.
You might as well open it to land too. That would be nice of you.
Oh, I completely forgot.
Yeah, I would like that. Ah, thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, good thing I brought my crafting table.
The crafting table. Oh, I'm right back where I was.
My crafting table.
Yeah, we're literally right back where I was.
Alright, I need 6 sticks. That's a
6 sticks. Better hurry. So, how have you been? I'm tired. I didn't get a wink of sleep last night. And the Black
I
King.
got like 10 minutes, but like, that's it, pretty much.
I didn't sleep one bit. That's how we roll. Amazing rolling. Where are you anyway?
Oh, I'm like down in this weird cave system.
Which cave system?
I don't know. I'll try to pillar my way up.
Well, yeah, because
Then I can nerd pull a big tower.
Because I am wandering aimlessly through an infinite tree well. Yeah. That's how weird. Oh, look what I found. I found big water. Oh, I don't remember what I was doing. Alright. Let's go. Alright. Where are you gonna come? Are you ever gonna come or are you gonna take yours?
Wait, I'm gonna take all my redstone that I found.
Is that a stone generator, eh? Okay. Oh, I found a stone generator. You proud? You proud of me? Do I get money?
No, you don't get anything. Except validation.
That sounds great! That hurt my bottom lip. Except for negative people.
Negative people are just negative because they don't have any validation.
Oh, get Bernie Sanders.
Oh, I got coal.
Wow, how rare.
I know, it's like the rarest thing in Minecraft. Didn't you know that?
Oh, I did not. I thought it was like emeralds. Those are like you can find like on the...
No, of course, like, it's like the grass is green and emeralds are green. Like,
and then green has 3 words in it. Yeah.
Green has 3 words in it?
Yep. That's red. Red has 3 letters.
On the dollar bill, the Illuminati is green.
And 1 plus 3 is 3. I mean 4. I need to go back to math class.
Yes, you do.
Maybe our teacher.
God, I got 35 redstone.
Can I have 1?
No.
Just 1.
No.
Just 1. Fine, you don't get any wool.
But for both of us to sleep, we both need
Well, that's a shame.
So I guess you won't be sleeping.
Nope. So I'll use the wool for, furnacey stuff. I'm collecting this crap because they may give you balls. The balls are gray. You can put them in a furnace and they'll make bricks. It's totally how you do it in real life. You cook balls in furnaces to make bricks. Top notch. That's how you make bricks. I can make a brick company. Paperclip Co. The Paperclip Company. We specialize in bricks for throwing at people.
It's too dark to see
That sucks, because it's light out here. Oh, it really sucks that you have to be in, like, a dark cave, and I'm just like, no. Yeah.
I want to check my Y to see.
I don't know how to do that. I think I hit F3. Oh, I did it!
Alright, Y equals
I'm a
50.
genius! Snowy, eh?
And about Y equals 50 is...
I took a screenshot!
What's durability? Alright, it's my last one.
What? Is that really true? Or is that like a problem with the chunks? But I don't think it's a problem with the chunks. I think it's a problem with my monks. What? How do you think it's the inside? Is it F3? No, F2. Oh, it is F2. Alright, thank you. Thank you for nothing. Bounce, 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 bounce. Time.
Oh my god.
This is not a sponsored video.
No, it is not.
Ooh. Delicious. Lindsay Fresh, actually, it's orange.
Oh, that was a very excruciatingly painful experience.
Good.
Excuse me?
I said good. Talking about the Tic Tacs. Jeez.
Oh. Yeah, well, you can see how I misinterpreted it. Ew, get these F3 coordinates. Ah, yeah. Line up these torches. Just slap the torch with a raw pork chop and it comes off.
I'd love to find you. I'm not doing much.
That's how things work.
How about I build a house?
Yeah, I think. Oh my god, I see you.
No, I found you. Reunited again!
Okay, let's not lose each other.
Okay. Alright, I'll show you a good place to go.
I have redstone and a whole ton of iron.
I shall steal all of it when you are sleeping.
Well, I can't sleep because you won't give me that.
Oh, yeah. That coal is mine, by the way.
An egg?
Egg?
I took an egg.
Oh, you so kind. I'm just kidding, I don't want an egg. Why would you need an egg? Just keep on following. Did you try to throw an egg at me?
No. Do you think I care?
Are you coming? Bozo! He's on the bozone layer. Yeah. Alright, I'm here. Back to the area. Ah! That was funny. I am going to watch that in slow motion on my computer when I'm done with this recording. Boo, 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 boo. Well, next video, I'm building a house.
Breaking dirt with seeds. Minecraft makes a whole lot of sense.
Well, I'm going to wrap the video up here because, you know, I'm going to make another one. Well, that does it. Well.
Why? We still got like 8 minutes.
Oh, fine.
Don't wrap it up here.
Thanks.
This let's play isn't going anywhere. What do we need to accomplish?
Bang. Boop.
We need to get serious.
Well, it won't be helpful much because, you know,
Oh, by the way, guys, I changed my skin. It's a beautiful skin now.
No, it isn't.
Oh yeah, my skin is like the beautifulest skin out there.
It's
Shout out
Steve.
to Mumbo Jumbo.
It's Steve.
No.
Yes, look at my screen.
Maybe you can't process the awesomeness of my skin.
Yep. It's probably too
Yeah.
derpy.
Yeah, my skin is too awesome, so...
It's too
this
derpy.
computer sees Steve, but I'm actually Mumbo Jumbo, so...
Oh, you just might as well just check out his video for the proof. Forest fire! Run for your penis! Oh my god, that is a real forest fire. Hello! See, I told you it was lava. Toodles.
I'm gonna put out fire with seeds. Because Minecraft makes sense.
Well, I want this video to upload by the time I'm still here. Got it? I know you can play Minecraft and all that crap. I mean, I'll probably end up playing Odyssey. Minecraft.
Wait, I found some cookies.
I'm just walking.
Slaughter them.
Slaughter them. I'm setting up a house right here.
Mossy cobble.
Mossy cobble. Wait, you have mossy cobble?
No.
Okay, I'm like, you better not. You should. I mean, I would care, but I'll take your food. Yes, I will.
I have a sword.
Oh crap! Doody doody doo. Would you mind moving? Jeez, get out of my way. I'm trying to build a house. Jesus. Hey, no fair. I don't have a sword.
Yeah, well, you punched me and I punched you back.
No, you didn't punch me. You sliced me. Slice is not equivalent to punch. Thank you very much. Oh, it's a hummingbird. That's cute. It was a hummingbird, and because I'm hi hummingbird. It was a living hummingbird, and it was in front of. Oh, there it is again. It was in front of the window. Itchy nose. It's a mouth. Saddled. I'm gonna finish this house, and then I'm gonna end the video. How does that sound?
Yeah, cool. I finally have enough materials to make a bed.
Oh, good for you. So now I don't have to share. Remember that world where I collected like tons of flowers?
Oh yeah, our old Let's Play.
Yeah, that was crap because we found diamonds and emeralds way too early.
Oh yeah.
Like, it was too early. Nobody would have believed us. I mean, if you really want to see the world, you have to comment down below. If you really want to see it, but, you know.
We might do like a separate Let's Play thingy.
Yeah, just like to show you guys what's up. We kind of already set it up. It was kind of just for fun. Because we were bored.
Bored of just playing Minecraft solo.
So we decided to, you know.
Improvise.
Yeah, this video's getting way too pinky.
Yeah, this video's getting like way too long already.
Yeah.
I just need to mine some cobblestone so I can put the floor in
Our? What do you mean our house? This is
Taking out
our
the old
house. Jeez, you're trying to claim it for you. This is ours.
What?
Pinga. This is our house.
One tall roof?
Oh, come on. It's a shelter. I really don't see that a floor is necessary. But can you please hurry up so I can...
Well, a floor looks better, okay?
We're sorry, but do you think I care?
Yeah, you should.
Well, I don't. There, I got Senor Doors. Okay, I cannot place any door. Oh, goodness. It's magnificent. And then I get a secret.
I'm gonna make some double chests.
Secret, 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 secret. Secret, 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 and I don't have any enough blocks. There we go. Perfect. I'm building a secret house. It's a secret derp house. It's a secret survival shelter because I have a little bit time left on this video.
Do you think I care?
Yeah. I'm gonna have to add a little bit of dirt. Oh no, I'm not, because I can add some clay. Do.
Well, this video's getting way too long already, so I'm gonna have to end here. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. This has been Dr. Algrim. I'm out.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna do
I need
the.
to like do this and then.
There. It's beautiful.
Okay, I'm just gonna edit that part out.
Alright. That does it for this
Okay,
video.
guys.
See you guys next time.
See you
Game
guys
Paperclip
next-
out.